we are coming to the last part of the convention. I believe very strongly, particularly as Comrade Arunachalam also made a mention. From yesterday morning, we told you that you should be present at 8:45 a.m. for the flag hoisting. I found 100% of the comrades who have reached Chennai for this purpose were present there. From that time onwards, from 9 o'clock until this minute, we have observed with a great sense of satisfaction the kind of discipline, the kind of dedication with which you have been attending this convention. It is something commendable and marvelous. We don't have words to praise, we don't have words to go on record to compliment and congratulate all of you for having contributed to the success and purpose of this convention. When we decided to hold this convention at Chennai, we also decided what should be the theme of this convention. As Comrade Arun has said, we did not have any other example before us, because after AABS Young Employees Convention in Hyderabad, no other bank-wise union had taken till now. Ours is the first All India bank-wise organization to hold this convention. Then we framed the theme, it is to inspire, enlighten and empower the future. The last 2 days of session, what we have gained the confidence and big satisfaction is the inspiration or the enlightenment part has been very well done from the faces of all of you we could observe. And from this convention, as Comrade Arun has told, what we expect from the federation is almost all the states excepting Northeastern and Orissa, all the states have been represented by the young comrades in this convention. Naturally, our expectation is when we are going to return back to the units, we take it that you are going to be the faces of All India UCO Bank Employees Federation in the respective units. That is what we expect from you. As you said, the last 2 days, whatever you have heard, whatever you have seen, and all these things need to be shared with those comrades who are not fortunate enough to attend this convention. In fact, to the convenience of those comrades who are not able to come here, we were planning to have web telecasting of this convention. Unfortunately, due to last minute some technical problems, we were not able to do that. In any case, we have taken the entire part of the convention in the video. We will be shortly sending it to the units so that the units can make use of it as and when they hold their conference or any other meeting to the benefit of the young comrades who are not able to come to this convention. So with this, the purpose, the objective, the aim with which our All India UCO Bank Employees Federation took a decision in Bhopal Central Committee meeting, Working Committee meeting, to hold a convention of this kind. We all feel from the federation that purpose has been, that objective has been very much achieved. That is what we believe. So once again we thank you, we salute you all. Now we have a duty to perform. Many comrades came here and they were all praising the arrangements of the host units. And naturally, the entire convention, the entire house needs to recognize, need to appreciate, and need to thank and need to honor those comrades who have sweat and toiled for the last 2 months to make this convention a very successful one. I now hand over the mic to the Comrade General Secretary.
Comrades, actually we are short of words to appreciate and applaud the way the arrangements for this first ever youth convention was arranged by our Chennai unit, Tamil Nadu unit. I have myself seen when I visited in between the pains that they have been taking day and night for last 2 months. The entire team of our Chennai unit has been working very hard, tirelessly. What we have seen today, that like a well-oiled engine, right from the moment we arrived at railway station, everything has gone fine. There was no confusion, there was no problem, and all of us were put to great comfort. The hall of the convention, the staying arrangement, conveyance arrangement, everything, food arrangement, everything par excellence. There is no word to express. But all the same, equally or rather a shade more important was the pains that they have taken to enrich the content of this entire convention. The way the subjects were carved out, the way PowerPoint presentation was presented, the way the entire presentation was made, which kept you glued to your seats, which ensured your 100% participation, which ensured your 100% concentration in what was going on, was also equally painstaking, and that all those things also were arranged for, were thought of by our Tamil Nadu unit. Many thanks to them, many applaud for them, and like our federation, this convention, this youth convention will be an example for rest of the bank-wise organization as to how to conduct. Comrades, Krishna Kadam will also speak. I will also be requesting Comrade Antani to speak, and will end up by giving standing ovation with the claps that should be heard all over India.
Comrade, what to talk is difficult. The way they organize, because in the working committee, when 2 conventions were to be organized, Nagpur unit took the responsibility of organizing women convention, and Comrade Vijayan, being a president, he took the responsibility to organize young comrade convention. The way they have treated us, Comrade Patel had said, but the document they have given, it is wonderful. The way they have narrated our service condition, particularly for UCO Bank and employees, it is wonderful. Every employee must keep it. They should take it to the branch and tell the other people that how our union is functioning, what benefit our All India Federation has given. Hats off to Tamil Nadu comrade, and hats off to the volunteers they have served us too.
Comrades, you are sitting since last 2 days, in sitting like a cinema hall, in the darkness, seeing the movie flashes. This movie